how to check if someone is active or not on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on a device and then tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Here select on settings. As you select on settings, tap on privacy and you can see the option of last seen and online. So tap on it and here that you can see and you can select the option of everyone or my contacts, whichever is more convenient for you. So you can tap on everyone over here as well, or you can simply tap on same as last seen based on what is more convenient for you. Now you can just go back and see on a particular profile over here. So if that particular person is online, you'll be able to see the option of online over here right under the name at the top left corner. Now as you can see in the screen, this particular person was online today at 9:10. So this person is not available right now. If he or she was available, it would be shown as online. So that's it. See you next time.